What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all some pieces that I am getting rid of that I absolutely love, and I'm going to kind of give you a brief description on why I am getting rid of these pieces, because if you have pieces like this in your closet, you should be getting rid of them too. No matter how much you love them, no matter how much you enjoy them, if they don't fit, you're not using them, you know, something is off about them, it's time to go ahead and get rid of them to make room for things that you are gonna love and are gonna use. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and keep on watching. Now, let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all, so the outfit of the day is this Stella Yadia two-piece set. This two-piece, I don't know if this is leopard or cheetah, y'all, I don't know. It looked like both, actually. It looks like a little bit of leopard and a little bit of cheetah, but it is this two-piece set. I have those styled with these Schutz raffia heels, okay, the ones that let my toes breathe, and then my YSL Hobo 507, and the fragrance is Prada Paradox. Okay, I am headed to lunch with my friend Evelyn, so this is what I'm wearing. I also gotta run and get my hair cut first, so yeah, things just be happening. But I ain't got that much time, so let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, I feel like we are starting off so heavy because I absolutely love these boots. These are these like croc embossed Paris, Texas boots. Y'all, I love these so much. I wore them a couple of times last year in the winter and in the fall, and I really enjoy them. They're in a size 36. I actually bought them pre-loved off of Poshmark. They're too tight around my ankle. Like the calf, like my calves are wide, and I said my ankle, but it's my calf. They are too tight around my calf. Getting them on and off is such a hassle that I'm like, girl, no. Like, it gives me anxiety. It makes me feel like my goddamn foot is gonna be stuck in it, and I just cannot do that. I cannot do it. I won't do it. I refuse. So I am gonna go ahead and let these go, which is so sad. But yeah, we're gonna make space for another pair of boots in the fall, but these aren't it. But I will say, I absolutely, what I love about them is, one, the croc embossed and the color. This green, I wore it with that like green Vince cardigan. Oh my God, just love that down. But yeah, we are going to go ahead and sell these because your girl calves are too thick for them to fit comfortable in it. So yeah, this is the first piece. Let's move on to the second. Also, all of these items will be available to purchase on my Poshmark if anybody is interested. The next piece that I am selling is this Good American like denim maxi dress. Y'all, I love this dress so much. I have worn this dress so many times over the spring and the summer, but the reason that I'm getting rid of it because it fits weird in the bust. Like, it fits perfectly fine in the like waist, but it fits so weird in the bust. And I took it to the tailor and was gonna have them like take it in some, but because the material is so stretchy, he was just kind of like, he doesn't know if it's gonna look the way it's supposed to. And when my tailor says something ain't gonna work out, I trust him. I trust him, okay? Because he's rarely, and when I say rarely, he has rarely ever steered me wrong. So because it fits so, like, it fits so weird. Like, I don't have big enough breasts to fill out the dress in the way that it should, so that the hips are hipping and the breasts are sitting. My breasts are just so small. And this is not to say that this dress does not look good on me, because it absolutely looks good, but it kind of gives me like, it's just kind of sitting, like the collars are sitting up on my neck like I'm goddamn Danny Zuko, and it just feels like there's just so much empty space in the breast area, and I hate that for me. I hate that for me, and that alone makes me not want to wear it because it fits so well in the bottom, but in the top it just doesn't fit great. And it's in a size, I have this in a size small, so there is that, especially in comparison to like that Free People khaki jumpsuit. And mind you, that's a jumpsuit and this is a dress, but they still have, you know what I mean? They have very similar aesthetics and vibes going on. That fits perfectly. And the breasts and the hips and the this and that, it fits perfectly everywhere. This, not so much. So we are going to go ahead and pass her on. So if you interested, she's gonna be up there. I'm sad. I'm really sad to see all these pieces go, cause like I've tried my best, y'all. I tried and they just didn't work for me in the way that I wanted them to. So there's that. But let's move on. All right, y'all. This one hurts a lot. Ooh, this is a big. Ooh, I'm about to take a big L. Do you hear me? I'm about to take a big L, girl. I am getting rid of my Dior book tote. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this Dior book tote because I don't use it enough. She just doesn't get enough use. I just knew she was gonna be my ultimate travel companion. She's not. She's too small. She's too small to be a travel companion and too big for me to be an everyday bag. So we're gonna let her go. And you know, I have the dust bag. I still have it, y'all. I think the authenticity card and stuff is with it. Everything came with this. And these bags run about $3,000. I paid a really good price for these. I think I paid $2,000 some change. But she just doesn't get used enough, y'all. She does not get used enough to justify the price that I paid for her and to have her sitting in my closet the way she does and not being utilized. I think I pulled her out once to wear, like out and about, and she's just so, I think it would be completely different if I was a tote girl, and I'm not. I'm just not a tote girl. And I thought it was just gonna work well for travel. I'm gonna be honest with you. When it comes to me and travel, I prefer a backpack. That might sound a little childish, but I prefer a backpack. So she is going to go, okay? If you're interested, help her get a new home, a good home, honey. But yeah, that's that. Let's move on. All right, y'all, next up we have another pair of boots. We have these Michael Kors suede boots, y'all. I really like these, but I am going to pass these along as well because, y'all, I've never worn them out. Had them a whole year and some change, never worn them out. Like, y'all see the scuffs from me walking around the floor, but you can tell, like, I've never worn these shoes, and that's just a sign. So I will say this, there is just something about shoes that slip on versus zipping up that I do not like. I prefer my boots to zip up. That's just what it is. I do not like boots that I have to slide on. I just don't. And I think that's part of the reason that I didn't wear these, as well as just like, I don't know if it's the color or what, but I never wore them out. I styled them up with several looks and they looked really good, but I never wore them out. And for the whole winter and spring to go by and I grabbed these once, that is an absolute sign that they need to be in a home that's going to wear them and utilize them. So yes, these have to go. These are in a size 6. I'm really sad to see them go because this is a perfect color and they go with so much, but yeah, girl, they got to go. So let's move on. All right, y'all, so the next piece is this Fossil watch. There's 2 like little diamonds missing in it too. Let me come up to see if y'all can see. This is this Fossil watch. Y'all, I used to love this watch, wore it nonstop. Once I got this Michael Kors watch, y'all see how much smaller it is? I just like how small this one is compared to this Fossil one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of her. Like, I don't have the 10. I think I gave the 10s away or something like that. So it is just the watch. But I mean, if you're into Fossil watches, this is a really cute one. I think Mother of Pearl is what the face is on this one. And y'all, she used to be my go-to. She used to be my go-to, and it's small, so it's gonna be for a small wrist, okay? Because the links are taken out, and like I said, I don't have the 10s anymore, so the links is gone. But and I'm only gonna sell it for like $10, like $10 to $12. So if you are interested in a nice Fossil watch, girl, here you go, because this one, I literally don't wear her anymore because look at this face compared to this face. This one is so big compared to this one, and this little small face, chef's kiss. I just love how small it is. So there's that. Let's move on to the last piece I'm gonna show y'all. All right, y'all, and the last piece I am showing y'all is this 2-piece set from Ace Couture. Y'all, first of all, I look gorgeous in this. I can say that I looked gorgeous in this, baby, with the hair wrap and the heels, and look too good. It's the shorts though. The shorts kind of do this like bellow out thing, and I don't like this. I took it to my tailor and was like, hey, Mr. T, can we do something about this? And he was like, I can cut it off, but it's gonna take away from the shorts because that's how they were designed. And I was like, you know what, you're right. So instead of me ruining the design of these shorts, I said I would just go ahead and I'll just go ahead and sell the set. Although I really love it and I do think it's absolutely gorgeous, stunning. But the way that the shorts are, it's just not working for your girl. It's just not working for your girl. It's not, you know, it's not doing what it's supposed to do that fit. Like, the things have to fit me and make me feel good, make me feel sexy, and those shorts are just not doing it. And I thought about like maybe keeping the cape, but I was like, you know what, I have a lot of things similar like this from Ace Couture, so we're just gonna go ahead and pass it along and give it a home that's gonna appreciate it. It's gonna fit right on them and they gonna love it, okay? So y'all, that's all I got. Don't got no more. Comment down below. Do you have anything in your closet that doesn't fit? Right? It kind of just fit off a little bit and the tailor can't do nothing about it. Get rid of it. Do you have any bags that you love that you don't wear? Ain't worn in a year or something? Get rid of it. Any shoes, any jewelry, get rid of it. Why you holding on to it? I don't know, but you need to go ahead and get rid of it, okay? Get rid of it. Stop playing. It's time to declutter. Declutter your life, declutter your space, declutter your closet. Y'all, I'm really in a phase of transitioning. And I'm probably gonna talk about it maybe a little bit more in the next video, or maybe I'll talk a little bit about in each video, you know, as I go on. But life has been, for lack of better words, whipping my ass. And I can tell that I am in a space of transition and transitioning. And it's been rough and it's been hard. But y'all, I am so optimistic on what the future is going to hold, because I'm gonna make sure it holds something good. You know what I mean? But emotionally, I just got to get through this hump, get through all this chaos, get through all this clutter. And the clothing that I collect can cause so much clutter and so much dysfunction. So it really is time for me to let go of the things that do not serve me and embrace all of the things and people that do. Do you hear me? Okay, but y'all, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life and on TikTok at Angelle's Life. I love y'all so much. Thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.